So, di ba, speechless eh? Uy, Melissa niya! Harap! Yes, Blayo. Hindi niyo ba tatanungin kung anong gagawin ko? I would like to thank my sponsor, Return and Refund Policy. No video, return, no refund. Thank you so much, guys. And also, our ACD Bake Shop Special Bizcocho. Thank you so much.
Very good.
Avocado, maskin jutay, pero bien sabroso. Iwan na. Saan? Avocado!
Bukit ko yun eh.
Thank you, Choco Nanay. Nanay o Lanay?
Lanay.
Thank you so much, Choco Lanay. Yan, espeso. Sabroso. As you can see, guys, first time ko talaga mag-unbox and ang napakaswerte nyo, guys. Kasi ngayon na lang talaga ito mapapanood. Oh, di ba? Sobrang conceited. Joke lang. Seryoso, so depende rin lang si kita.
Ay, hindi. Tan-record kita.
Tan-record nila tapo din man Zoom.
Oo. Tan-record.
Okay. I would like to thank my colleagues, my friends for being so supportive to my new career.
Ma'am, basahin niyo muna. Anong sinabi dyan sa bag?
Okay, guys. We live and we ride.
Good!
Oh, I'm so good in riding, you guys. My favorite hobby is riding.
In tandem.
Motor. So,
Continuous letter
comment now. Just
bonita mga si ate.
type your comment below. So, kung ano ito, di ba? Hindi ba huli?
Wow!
Oh!
Wow!
Uy.
What's this bit?
Tinatanggal?
Natanggal?
Oo.
Yes. Yan. Okay. Wow!
My dream helmet. You know guys, yung helmet na to is para talaga sa ulo.
Don't worry, na-record ko yun. Na-record ko yun.
Alam nyo guys, napaka-importante kasi mag-helmet.
Bakit? Real daw ang sekretary araw dahil helmet na trabaho. Naman niya. Mapungitan yung helmet, ma'am. Maganda parking.
You know guys, I already mentioned it in my first video that a helmet guys is para nakabesa and it will protect you from hurting. If ever man, mure ko, hindi sa naman gas.
Advance mag-isip.